Hi everybody, my name is Freya James and I work with potential students in outreach and athletic engagement at Kaskaskia College. At KC, we are committed to providing the very best education to all pupils who walk through our doors. We are also dedicated to providing as much information as possible to anyone looking to take the next steps needed to reach their educational goals. Kaskaskia College is fortunate enough to have some of the best faculty and staff an institution of higher education could ask for. To tap into that knowledge they possess, we will be sitting down with some of these people and doing some interviews, talking about their career and what they had to do to take the steps to reach their goals and their positions that they are currently in now. We want to know the whys, the whats, and the hows, and then in turn share that information with all of you. To complete these interviews, we will be turning to Kaskaskia College's student ambassadors. These students represent KC in all they do, both in the community and in the classroom. They are a great representation of what makes KC strong and also a great learning environment. Let's take a minute to meet all of them.
Hi, my name is Helscher and I'm from Germantown. I went to Modern Day Catholic High School and I'm currently enrolled in the nursing program here at KC. I plan on being a cardiac nurse in the future, and my favorite thing about KC's nursing program is that during your clinicals you get a lot of great patient experience and opportunities.
Hi, I'm Quincy Morgan. I grew up here in Centralia and attended Centralia High School. I have not yet decided on a career path yet, but my favorite thing about KC is how helpful and caring the staff is.
Hello, I am Kamy Lyons and I'm from Sandoval and I graduated Sandoval High School. I am currently enrolled in the radiology program here at KC, and one reason why I love being here is because of all the caring and welcoming staff.
Hi, my name is Freya James. I'm from Belleville, Illinois, and I graduated from Sandoval High School. I'm currently pursuing an Associate's in Arts here at KC, and I hope to transfer and get a Master's in Psychology. One of the biggest things I like about being a student ambassador is I don't only get to help my peers, we do a lot of work with incoming high school students, so I get to answer some questions and let them know some things about KC I wish I knew before I came here.
So now that you know the names and you know the mission, be on the lookout over the next couple of weeks for what we have to share with you. Finding a career that you want to thrive in is hard. Finding the steps you need to take to achieve that career can be even harder. Let Kaskaskia College help you in your journey to finding yours.